Hello, my beauties. Who am I kidding? What's up, y'all? It's Rita. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. It has been forever since I recorded. So, I got some new makeup in and I want to play in it. Okay, so I'm going to be doing just like a natural kind of look today. It might have some color in it. Honestly, I don't know. I just felt like recording, so I was like, let me just do whatever my heart feels. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, then definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And then make sure you click the little bell off to the side so you never miss an upload. Why do the delivery people want to come right now? Because I ordered Chinese food. That's why. Finna get my grub on. Y'all know how I feel about food. Anyway, and if you're a rebel and y'all know who I'm talking about, where my rebels at, y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. If you want to see the look that I'm about to create today, then just stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, I already did my brows off camera. I do have an updated brow tutorial. If you haven't seen that yet, then go ahead. I'll post the link somewhere up here or it'll be down in the description. You can just click on it, go leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Millie rock, all that. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and move right into the primer. So I'm going to prime my lids with MAC's Pro Long Concealer in NC 42. So I'm really just trying to use up all of this concealer because I've had it for some time now, and so I just need to use it. So I thought I was going to use this angled pencil brush, but I'm not. I'm just going to rub it in with my fingers. Yeah, so all of that. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. I know it's like, what the heck, Rita? Yeah, it's all under my eye, but that's okay because we can do that. It's fine. It's fine. Anyway, I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush and I'm just going to get that blended in really good. Half the battle is already over because my brow's already done. So, sis, we already like ahead of the game. Alright, so I'm going to take my Makeup Forever. My Makeup Forever HD. What is this? This is the HD stuff. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The powder. And I am going to put that over my eyes. This is just to set the concealer that we just used. I'm just going to take this fluffy brush from Storybook Cosmetics and I'm going to start with my transitional shade. I am going to be using the ItsMyRayeRaye palette. You guys, I have been loving this palette. I swear, if I tell y'all, like, this highlight shade, Moonlight, is the whole truth. Like, I'm totally feeling it. Anywho, that's the palette I'm going to be using. It's the ItsMyRayeRaye palette. I'm going to be going in with Nudist as my transitional shade. So, yeah, I figured I need to go ahead and get some videos up on this channel, you guys. I'm so sorry that I was like MIA. Didn't mean to be. I'm going to use Nudist and Pancake as my transitional shade. And so I'm just going to sweep them back and forth in this little sweeping motion. Or windshield wiper motion, whichever one you prefer. So yeah, I'm going to try and get some more videos up for you guys. I've been like so bad with not putting my videos up. But I'm going to definitely get better at it. I'm going to try and do like 2 or 3 videos a week. So definitely make sure that you subscribe and leave me comments. Like, if y'all don't leave me comments, I do not know you was here, okay? Seriously. You don't leave comments, I don't know you was here. And this is where I'm going to be doing all of my giveaways from now on. And I said it. I said it. All right, so now I'm going in the shade Mousse. All right, so I think I have that blended to where I want it to be. All right, now let's go in with, I'm going to go in with Spice. I think this is a pretty nice color. So let's go in with Spice. Sugar and spice and everything nice. So I'm just moving this back and forth again in windshield wiper motions. Using the same brush, didn't switch brushes. Okay. So now I'm just going to use a little bit more concealer. Just a smidge. And I am going to very lightly carve out some of my eye. Girl, get that mess in my head. All right. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of setting powder and just kind of set that a little bit. And now I'm going to go into the shade Black Beauty. Ooh, that is really black. Ew. We don't do that. I lied. I'm not going into that shade. Let's go into Sunset. See what that's talking about. Wakanda forever. I'm trying to focus, y'all. That's why I'm so quiet, okay? Y'all know usually I'm not this quiet, but I'm trying to focus. Okay, now I'm going, oh my God, I love this NARS, y'all. This is the NARS Creamy, Radiant, and Ginger. And I love it. Amazing. Gonna take my Eco Tool sponge. Cover FX.